In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. So doing this is fairly simple. What you want to go and do first is open up your Phantom Wallet and from the home screen click Receive and then just click Solana and from there copy your wallet address. After doing that, simply open up Robinhood and here you then want to go to the Crypto tab and just search for Solana and select it. From there, if you own some of it, then you can send it. So just scroll down and click Send. Now here, they won't let me screen record this, but basically what you want to get and do is just paste in the wallet address, then choose how much you want to send and then confirm it. And after you confirm it, it will then be on its way to your Phantom Wallet. So that's all you need to do to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.